Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Smith's Homes in Swansea and I'm here today in Clydach, right next to the centre of the town, to show you this beautiful 4-bed semi-detached home which has been completely remodelled inside. Come inside and take a look. Well, we're inside this lovely property now and the layout has been completely transformed, leaving us with this lovely open living area. This contemporary living space is split into two parts, the huge reception room at the front here, and as we move around the L, we've got this lovely fully integrated kitchen, complete with the standout island in the middle. Through the kitchen, we have a walk-in pantry and a utility room, as well as access to the rear garden. Downstairs we have another reception room which makes the perfect office or makes the home absolutely ideal for multi-generation living, as the downstairs bathroom is attached. Upstairs we also have 4 bedrooms and a family bathroom, and then we come into the lovely garden space which has the added bonus of the outbuilding equipped with electricity, which would make a great office or maybe a gym as it currently is. If you're in the market for a premium property at a very reasonable price, I suggest you come and take a look for yourselves. This was not going to be around very long, so please get in touch. My name's Tom, this is my new listing, and my number's at the bottom of the screen. Don't be afraid to call or drop me a message.